2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Review. The Eclipse Cross value proposition depends on its extensive features list. Fans of Japanese performance cars will probably be disappointed to master that their 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross just isn't, in truth, a rebirth with the brand's well-known Eclipse Coupe through the 1990s. Instead, it's actually a new pint-size crossover SUV that joins the Outlander and Outlander Sport and Mitsubishi's stable of SUVs. But this new model's turbocharged power and distinctive styling are two top reasons to pull the Eclipse name outside of retirement. You can observe our first drive article regarding the Eclipse Cross on an in-depth look, though the short take is always that we like its clean home design. That is a big improvement over a few of Mitsubishi's recent offerings. We also such as Eclipse Cross peppy acceleration and a lot of standard technology and precautionary features. Unfortunately, its ride quality might be uncomfortable, as well as handling isn't sporty, you may expect. Also, Mitsubishi has priced it in such a way that this more expensive trim levels resemble what you might purchase more versatile and polished crossovers, for example the Honda CR-V as well as the Mazda CX-5. Overall, though, there's enough good how the Eclipse Cross might create you want to jump with the chance to own a Mitsubishi. What's new? The Eclipse Cross is definitely an all-new model for 2018. The Say-Sork will be the trim level which enables the most sense to us. It packs enough technology and active precautionary features, as well as a handful of minor but useful interior upgrades like illuminated vanity mirrors along with a leather-wrapped tyre. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Eclipse Cross is often a small SUV with seating for 5 that comes in 5 trim levels, beginning from the bare-bones S and moving up to your well-equipped Say-Sork. Only one engine can be obtained, a turbocharged 1.5-litre 4-cylinder 152 horsepower, 184 pound-feet of torque that's associated with a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. All-wheel drive is standard on all, even so the base S trim, that's front-wheel drive. Standard equipment around the S trim includes 16-inch alloy wheels, LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and heated side mirrors. Inside, you can find a height-adjustable driver's seat, 6,040 split-folding rear seats that slide and recline, a rear-view camera, cruise control, automatic climate control, a 7-inch infotainment touch screen, Bluetooth, a USB port, plus a 4-speaker speakers. Stepping up for the S-Sork adds all-wheel drive. Next up will be the Le-Sork. It adds black exterior trim pieces with black 18-inch alloy wheels. The infotainment product is upgraded to your 7-inch screen which has a remote touchpad controller mounted close to the shift lever. This system also gets Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite radio and voice controls. Our favorite in the mix could be the Say-Sork. It turns into a bunch of upgrades, for example proximity entry with push-button start, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, illuminated vanity mirrors, heated front seats, upgraded fabric upholstery, a leather-wrapped controls, a 6-speaker head unit, dual-zone climate control as well as a rear seat center armrest. The Say also is sold with Mitsubishi Connect. To sign up that adds sensors and emergency roadside assistance button along with a remote tracker. It also provides ability to remotely control climate settings, door locks, horn, lights, vehicle settings, and parental controls from the cell phone. The range-topping Say-Sork adds full LED headlights, leather upholstery, a power-adjustable driver's seat, a head-up display, as well as a surround-view parking camera system. The Touring package, exclusively intended for the Soul trim, incorporates a panoramic sunroof, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, limited Rockford Fosgate 9-speaker head unit, automatic high beams, and extra security features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. A towing package can be acquired for all trim levels, which adds a tow hitch as well as a wiring harness. Driving. The turbocharged 1.5-litre engine provides adequate grunt due to this small SUV. It works well with all the continuously variable automatic transmission CVT, too. However, the Eclipse Cross isn't very sporty if you are driving around turns. It leans a whole lot, sapping driver confidence. Comfort. The ride quality is usually surprisingly harsh, and road noise is prominent at highway speeds. We haven't had enough seat the perfect time to make a judgment for their comfort, but we all do appreciate a corner seat's power to recline. Interior. In higher trims, extensive leather and faux leather allow for a more upscale feel than most Mitsubishis. Of course, additionally, there is extensive hard plastic, a good deal of which comes in glare-inducing piano black. Legroom is nice all around, but rear headroom is insufficient for taller passengers. Utility. With 22.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the trunk seat and 48.9 cubic feet while using rear seat folded down, the Eclipse Cross straddles classes regarding practicality. It can hold more than most subcompact SUVs but under bigger models including the CR-V plus the RAV4. Technology. The new infotainment system's remote touchpad is intuitive and simple to use. The central display also works as being a touchscreen. A full suite of driver aids and active security measures is available, but only should you opt for a pricey package on top on the highest trim level.